Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create a sunflower spiral pattern using Python. So we'll start this by importing the required libraries. So here NumPy is used for numerical operations like angles, radius and Cartesian coordinates, whereas matplotlib.pyplot is used to create any display in the plot. So now we'll define the number of points. So here n is the total number of seeds in the pattern. Higher values of n produces denser spirals. And now we'll calculate the golden angle. So the golden angle is 137.5 degree in radians, which is derived from the golden ratio. This angle ensures optimal packing just like real sunflower seeds. So now we'll generate the angular and radial coordinates. So here in the first line, theta and each seed is rotated by golden angle to create a spiral effect where r is equals to np.sqrt. This controls the radial distance of seeds and the square root ensures even spacing outwards. And now we'll convert to Cartesian coordinates. So here this converts polar coordinates r and theta into Cartesian coordinate x and y, where cos and sine help place the seeds in the circular pattern. And now we'll plot the spiral. So this defines figure size. It is 6 into 6 inches. So here in this line, x and y are the seed positions, whereas s is equals to 5 is the size of each seed and c is equals to np.arrange. This is the color gradient based on the seed index, and cmap is equals to viridis. This uses a color gradient, and alpha is equals to 0.75. This sets the transparency in the plot. Now we'll remove the axis and add the title. So this hides the axis in the plot. And this adds a plot title, and at last we'll remove the unnecessary axis. And now we'll display the plot. Hence we can check this. So we can see a sunflower spiral pattern. So thanks for watching this video.